Stock markets worldwide keep swinging as President Trump's trade war keeps escalating. Here's a look at the numbers right now. The Dow is down nearly 40. China vowing to fight to the end, announcing it would raise tariffs on American goods to 84% starting tomorrow. Beijing also added an array of countermeasures after U.S. President Donald Trump raised the total tariff on imports from China to 104%. The European Union also announced new tariffs against the U.S. Natalie Brand breaks down the numbers.
U.S. trading partners are hitting back after President Trump's reciprocal tariffs kicked in overnight. Beijing responded to the administration's additional 50% tariff on Chinese imports, raising its retaliatory tariffs on U.S. goods to 84%.
No one wins in a war, but it's proportionality, and the proportionality for the Chinese is going to be much worse.
The European Union has announced retaliatory tariffs on more than $20 billion of U.S. goods, but countries are also signaling they want to negotiate. The administration says it's heard from about 70.
I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my ass. They are dying to make a deal. Please, sir, make a deal. I'll do anything. I'll do anything, sir.
President Trump also criticized the members of his own party who are questioning his tariff strategy, saying it would be a mistake for Congress to take over trade negotiations.
As I talk to my farmers, there's a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress, a lot of uncertainty, because when we get into a trade war, usually the first pawn in the trade war is agriculture.
U.S. Trade Representative Jamison Greer returned to Capitol Hill for a second day of questioning about the administration's strategy.
I think that tariffs are an imposition on foreign goods that can protect American workers and American products.
President Trump also said Tuesday night he will impose new tariffs on imported pharmaceuticals, but did not say when. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
With market volatility sparked by the tariff war, how should you handle your money? We talked to CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger for advice.
Well, I think the best bet is if you need money within the next, say, 12 or 18 months, maybe you've got to make a tuition payment, maybe you know you owe your contractor money, or you know you need money to buy a car, like you know you have a bill to pay. That money needs to be freed up. It should not be invested in anything risky. Otherwise, you're a long-term investor. Everything else can stay in place.
Jill also advises tuning out all the noise and taking control of what you can control. She says look at the money you've saved in your emergency reserve fund and think about how your spending might change if prices rise. We have expanded coverage of the impact President Trump's tariffs are having worldwide on our website at cbsnewyork.com. And while you're there, check out our price checker for the products you buy for your family and how they're being affected.